Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Woo! So let's not waste too much time. So today we are doing an unboxing. We are doing an Amazon Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you're joining for the first time, thank you so much for clicking. And if you're my returning subscriber, I'm so happy to have you here. Today we are going to do an unboxing. We are going to do an Amazon unboxing all the way from Otapi, Namibia. Okay, so to those of you who didn't know, Amazon indeed ships to Namibia and they are super fast. Of course, I'm going to make another video, a detailed video on the shipping fees, shipping time or duration, and also this maybe the steps on how to order from Amazon. But today let's not waste too much time, because I know you're curious about finding out what we bought. So let's just go ahead and start unboxing. So for some reason it's very hot today, that's why I'm sweating. If you can like see, I'm just so sweating, like I'm sweating like crazy. So let's not waste too much time guys, let's just go ahead and unbox. So we have two boxes. They were delivered by what is this delivery company here. If you want a video or a detailed video on Amazon shipping and whatnot, don't forget to hit me up. Okay, our first box. What's in this one? Okay, this one this is it's a laptop bag. So I bought a sleeve for my MacBook from Amazon, but for some reason I only realized I already had a laptop bag after I bought this. But oh, this is fluffy. Oh my gosh, look at that, so fluffy. And then of course there is a tiny bag inside, and this is where I'll put my power cord and everything. It's also fluffy inside. Do not eat, anti-mold chip. So this is an anti-mold chip. They don't put in that silica stuff anymore or what? But yeah, it's not too bad. So that's the first item that we have. But I have to check if the laptop fits or the MacBook fits. Let me get it. Okay, let's see how it fits. I have a feeling it's too big, and I already put foundation on it. But I have a feeling it's too big. Of course it is. It's too big. See? I wanted it tighter. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. It's too big. See this? But whatever, let's go on to the next item. Next item is what is this? A bike insert, a tire insert. It's from the brand Tennis Armor. So it's for putting into the tires to protect against thorns and whatnot for our bikes. Also bike liners. So these are also for the bike. I'm so sweaty guys. So yeah, the bike liners, tire liners to put into the tires. Okay. one box. I'm sure I already know what's in the other box, and I don't know why it's so big. It's even bigger than the other one that had all 3 items. I think there's only 1 item in this one. What type of sticky tape is this? So the box is just full of paper, guys. Box is just full of paper. So we try to buy these things from Amazon if we can get them in Namibia, and of course this one you can't get it in Namibia, you have to order it from Amazon. Also I think in Namibia you can get a refund if what you bought or what you imported cannot be found in Namibia. So I think whatever we paid on custom duties or import duties will be refunded to us. See, told you, just one item, but it's just so giant, it's big. It's the same thing, because if you don't know, all of us have bikes now, and we live in an area where there are a lot of thorn bushes, and you can ride your bike 2 days and the next day it's like flat, or just 1 day and then it will go flat. So this will be our savior. Yeah, so if you're curious about how much we paid or the custom duty stuff, so the total, this was, where's the other one? Yeah, I'll draft up something nice so that I can tell you everything you need to know. So, but if you have any questions, please don't forget to put them in the comment section. Ask your questions and I'll answer them in another video.